बड़े किस्मत वाले हैं
Well,
क्योंकि हमारे सर आए हैं आपको
well, as you all know, this is 17 or so Independence Day. So 79 Independence Day. So you know that for 300 or more years we were like slaves, and it is due to great men like Gandhi, Patel, and number of others. Not Gandhi, Patel. But there were the freedom and Lakshman Naik. From he sacrificed. He was executed in the Barampur jail. What for? Because he fought for Indian independence. Sayyid Lakshman Naik, Karaput. Hundreds and thousands others who laid their life, whose names are not yet recorded. Anyway, we got independence after 300 years, as you all know more, and we were subjugated like anything. Now, during these 79 years, we have done a lot, and we happens to be now what I was reading will be number 2 or 3 country in the world in the economy tomorrow or day after. You see, after America, after Russia, probably the India. So there are you can well imagine what we have done. Really, it is due to your father, your grandfather, and your now grandsons. Who has done this? These last 80 years, who has done it? Your father, your grandfather, they have contributed. They have sacrificed their thing. And we are now number 3. Grandson and granddaughters, what you say? Now we are in number 3 in the world. It is due to the sacrifice of the great men of this of our India. Anyway, so what I feel, everything is possible, but we do not know even from us. We do not exactly God. You see God's wish. Are you sure that you will be a politician? You are now a physical instructor and you are now taking physical training. Who knows, tomorrow you will be a minister. After 10 years you will be a minister. Or some great man, or some invention, or some scientist. You say scientist, how scientist? Who knows? The wish of God. It is He who decides. So what we have to do is, what is wanted is your discipline, your prayer. Always pray, God, let me do something for my father, mother, family, and my country, and my cohabitants, and my neighbors. Who knows? With that spirit, you will be given your due award. It is definite. But what is needed is plain thinking. You shouldn't, what will happen? Nowadays you see there are certain people, what will happen? If you do this, we are waiting for the result. No, don't wait for the result. Result that He will give. The sun, just has come up. The sun has come up. He knows. So let us not compare. Just we have given birth. We have to do some duty for our family, for our country, for our citizen, for our neighbor. You say, why should I run for? No. Always have that in mind. Let me do something for my neighbor, for my country, and pray God. Who knows? You will be All India or Olympic chairman this way, or minister, some sort. Even your instructor who is standing here, do you know? I don't want to disclose. Even 8th, he was not qualified to be 8th class. Because all in the Lanjipoli you said there, because he was lagging in some marks. Because after even I starved here for 3 days, no food. The hotel wala said, you have not paid 3 months. You have not paid 3 months fees. So tomorrow you cannot be allowed. Do you know that? And next day, after 3 days, I have got physics honors. Khalikot College. That's the first time for Barampur. Physics honors, I was first class. Physics honors first class of Barampur Khalikot College. The boy who could not be given food for 3 days by God. Who did it? God. God has sent an angel in my need. So I respect that hotel wala. You have done a good, because if you have given me food, I would have taken enough food. At that time, 30 rupees. 30 rupees per month. 30 rupees per month. You can well imagine. That too also I could not pay. So he told you tomorrow you should not. So 3 days I starved. Not starved, some pan wala, some tea or bread. And do you know what happened? When you take tea, when you take bread, you cannot sleep. You will read. And God is so kind enough. I got first position in Orissa. Is that not enough? What more is required? Had I been given the food fish, I would have slept 2 marks less. So you got 7th position, 8th position, no position. Do you understand? So you are well placed, as it seems your father, at least they have given this opportunity at least to attend here and to attend such a instructor or the guru like him. So always try to do something. Who knows what will happen? You don't wait for the result, bete. If I do this, how much I will get? No. How much I will get is not. How much he will give, that he will give you. So I don't want more instruction, more say. Anyway, I'm so happy to see you, because because a man who has never given, during my school time, I have never stood for 10 minutes, 1 minute to speak something. Became a headmaster. That also I could not. At last, after retirement, I became principal of an English medium school. See, I was a Odia medium teacher. Boss sir, we are talking in Odia. When you enter into English medium school, ICSE format, not CBSE. CBSE means some Hindi will do. So for ICSE format, you have to speak only in English. Now, you can believe. So how is this possible? A fellow up to 60 years, even becoming a headmaster also, who has never spoken like this, and that was not in Oriya. I have to speak in English, not in English, in English, addressing all Orissa principal conference. All Orissa principal conference, I say father, brother, sister schools. I have to speak in English only. And now also you see, because I am Odia medium teacher, I am now 80, octogenarian, what you call. And I have to speak like this. I am standing like this. I haven't seen, say, I didn't go to a doctor. Is that not the blessing of God? Everything is possible, but so always don't run for the result. Pray, do your duty, pray God. He will give you the everything. Do your duty. Do your duty. Pray God. Don't harm. I will get first. I will get second. Why he got the second? Don't. You do your duty. Sincerely, more sincerely. Pray God and always respect your father, mother. So the locality. Because we do not know what will happen the next moment. I am standing here. Who knows the next moment I may die. But at least I can remember, oh, that old man had come, our SARS teacher had come, he spoke something. Is that not enough? What is required is this. So I don't want to waste more time. Simply I pray God, let you come up with colors and you remember, and at least, oh God, help the children. And at one moment you will say, one meeting, an old man of our instructor had come. He has said, oh, I got this sort of encouragement and I did this. I pray God for your children. God bless. Thank you, God.